Introducing you to a whole new ownership opportunity in the village at Northstar Lodge Hyatt Residences. In real estate, location is important. With ski and ski out access to Northstar's 92 runs, in close proximity to the shops, restaurants, and ice skating in the village at Northstar, the Northstar Lodge Hyatt has it all. Combine its location with one of the most popular hospitality brands, Hyatt, and you have owner services and amenities like no other in the village. These residences have recently been repriced to be competitive at today's market values, making them a great option for Northstar living. Northstar Lodge consists of 2- and 3-bedroom residences that are fully furnished and professionally decorated. Distinctive features include open floor plans and private outdoor decks with fireplaces. The many amenities are what distinguish this property from others in the market, from a private owner's lounge perfect for après ski enjoyment to an 18-seat media theater complete with state-of-the-art projection and sound. Northstar Lodge has the amenities your family is looking for. Ski, boot, and bike valet eliminates the hassles of getting on and off the slopes or trails. Owner services also include a concierge, 24-hour front desk, and indoor garage, making your stay in Tahoe stress-free. The adjacent Village Swim and Fitness Center features workout facilities and 2 saline pools. And owners have an opportunity to join Hyatt Vacation Club optional use and Gold Passport programs, where you can receive points towards stays at select Hyatt Vacation Club or Hyatt hotels around the world. For more information on the Hyatt Northstar Lodge, contact the Tahoe Mountain Resorts real estate agent today at 800-217-7554 or visit HyattNorthstar.com.